Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is in a dilemma, and he's doing everything possible to get himself out of it. What is the dilemma he found himself? It is that northern Nigeria want to make sure that he is a one-term president, like Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. And that is the problem Tinubu is facing right now. And he thought he can solve it by creating a pseudo Southern unity, which is not likely to work, from my understanding. That is what we're going to talk about right now. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And you can see on my wall here, I have some of my books on Amazon. You can type the title of the book with the author's name. It will lead you straight to Amazon platform where you can purchase any of these books. And these books are available in all platforms, in all platforms that you want, in all types of format that you want. You can get it in ebook, you can get it in paperback, you can get it in hard copy. This is because Amazon is print on demand, so there's no problem. They will deliver it to bring it to your house if you like. So distribution is not a problem for Amazon. Just pay for the book, you get it. And that's by the way. Now let us get to the main issue at stake. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, not long ago, sensing that the North wanted him to be a one-term president because of their unhappiness, which is management of the country thus far, resuscitated the Southern Governors Forum, in which Dapo Abiodun was made the chairman of Southern Governors Forum. Remember, that Southern Governors Forum was what later Akeredolu used to mobilize support for Bola Ahmed Tinubu and threaten the North that if power does not shift to the South, there will be a problem. And the APC kowtowed to that threat and ensured that their presidential candidate comes from the South. But when it came to the South, Bola Ahmed Tinubu grabbed it, despite the fact that Southwest has been in power at the presidency about 16 years. Obasanjo's 8 years and Osibanjo's 8 years, making 16 years altogether. By that time, Bola Ahmed Tinubu didn't bother about Southern unity. All he cared about was, it is his turn, it is Yoruba turn. Now, the chicken has come home to roast, and he is in desperate need of Southern unity. Don't forget that this Bola Ahmed Tinubu was largely voted for, if you believe INEC, by the North, because he was roundly rejected in Southern Nigeria. But he's trying to make amends for it by creating a pseudo-unity, thinking that it's going to work. We are watching to see. But there are things that happened on Tuesday, 30th of July, when Bola Ahmed Tinubu launched the Southern Nigeria Traditional Rulers Council. If you notice in that inauguration, in which the president was represented by the secretary to the federal government, the Oba of Benin and the Obi of Onitsha were conspicuously absent. We may not know the reason why they were absent, but you will understand more what their absence signifies. And this is because if you're talking about Southern Traditional Rulers Council, it doesn't get any bigger in terms of personalities to be involved in it than Oba of Benin and the Obi of Onitsha. Okay? And if you look at everything they talked about, if you listen, there was nothing really in what they said, whether this speech by the keynote speaker, Dapo Abiodun, who is the Southern Governors Forum chairman, there was nothing. Those were just empty statements about Southern unity. Is South not united before? But it just, as I see it, a cover-up for a plot to create a kind of agenda to ensure that Bola Ahmed Tinubu is supported by Southern Nigeria in 2027 to ward off the North that appears determined to grab power back from him in 2027. And why did I say that it is significant to notice the absence of Obi of Onitsha and the Oba of Benin? This is because at the inauguration, which was done by the president but represented by the secretary to the federal government, George Akume, the Oni of Ife emerged as the chairman of the council, and he had co-chairmen. Now, ordinarily, you would have expected the co-chairman to be the Oba of Benin, the Obi of Onitsha. But who are those who are the co-chairmen? The co-chairmen were Obi of Obingu, Letus Ilo Mwanya, and then the King Jaja of Opobo, Danderson Jaja. These were co-chairmen. Then you have Benjamin Ikenchukwu, the Den of Abo, emerging as secretary. Ordinarily, you would have expected that co-chairmen would be of people of high rank with the Oni of Ife, like Oba of Benin, like Obi of Onitsha. But that was not the case. We may never know what happened. Perhaps those ones chose not to be entangled in politics of 2027. That may be the reason why they opted out. And I also noticed that in Ozodema acknowledging a lot of people, I didn't see any acknowledgement for top traditional rulers from Anambra State. That's also another indication that Hope Uzodinma, who was the host and who superintended over the whole thing, may not have gotten the kind of coalition of traditional rulers that he needs to ensure that Bola Ahmed Tinubu has the backing of the traditional rulers of southern Nigeria. Now, why is this significant? It is significant because these people want to present the impression that Bola Ahmed Tinubu is representing southern Nigeria. But when Bola Ahmed Tinubu was seeking for presidency, he said, this is the turn of the Yoruba. This is the turn of Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Emilokon, it is his turn. He wasn't bothered. The only time he bothered about South was to use this Southern Governors Forum under Akeredolu under yes, under Kridolu, to ensure that the APC ceded the presidency to the South. Immediately he got to the South, he grabbed it. As far as he's concerned, it is his interest that matters. The lopsidedness in the presidential position didn't concern him. The fact that Obasanjo has done 8 years, Professor Yemi Osibanjo 8 years in the villa, presidential villa, it didn't bother him. He grabbed it. Now he has run into troubled waters. He wants Southern Nigerian people to think that he is there representing them, even when we know that his government is populated by the Lagos boys and the few sprinkling of Southwest people who dominate the scene right now. Okay? That is what it is. And Bola Ahmed Tinubu is not a good example of even Southern unity. Why did I say so? Remember, in 2015, prior to, at the run-up to the 2015 presidential election, a Southern Nigerian was in the presidential seat already. Okay? That was Goodluck Ebele Jonathan was on the seat. Bola Ahmed Tinubu undermined him. He didn't care about Southern unity. In fact, Southern Nigeria was even more united, because if you look at it, Tinubu get to the presidency without Southern support. But Goodluck Ebele Jonathan was able to get to the presidency through Southern unity in 2011. And Southern unity did a lot to ensure that he was re-elected. But Bola Ahmed Tinubu sabotaged Goodluck Ebele Jonathan and connived with the North to send him home with his tail between his legs. Now, Ozodema and Bola Ahmed Tinubu and others, they think that people don't have sense of history. They want to hoodwink Southern Nigerian that this is our own. No, Bola Ahmed Tinubu has shown that it is all about himself and not about Southern unity. It's about himself and not Southern unity. Because if it was about Southern unity and interest of the South, he would have not connived with the North to snatch power from Goodluck Jonathan in 2015. That's a fact. And sometimes I laugh at Asare Dokubo. Asare Dokubo, I can play you videos of Asare Dokubo threatening to pull down, heavens and whatever, if Jonathan was not re-elected. He was everywhere talking about Jonathan must get second term. But who are the people that sabotaged it? It's Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Now, he was everywhere the other day under the auspices of NDDC. They did a live TV program talking about how South will not allow anybody to take over from Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Bola Ahmed Tinubu must finish his tenure. Nobody said that Bola Ahmed Tinubu will not finish his tenure, but the North is saying that he will be a one-term president, so that he will be able to feel what Jonathan felt in 2015. The North they are determined to ensure that he becomes a one-term president. So if Asare Dokubo cares about Niger Delta, and remember what Bola Ahmed Tinubu did in 2015 to ensure that Jonathan was literally chased out of the villa, it is an insult on the intelligence of Niger Deltans to tell them that this time around that they not want him to be a one-term president, that he should be assisted and helped because he's a Southern president. No, It doesn't make sense. Karma is like the law of gravity. No man can change it. That is what is about to befall the president. And it remains to be seen whether the formation of Southern Governors Forum, the formation of Southern Traditional Rulers Council, or whatever, I will not be surprised that very soon Ohaneze will liaise with Afenifere, the one that backed Bola Ahmed Tinubu. You know, we have two Afenifere right now. The one that supported Peter Obi and the one that supported Bola Ahmed Tinubu. So the one that supported Bola Ahmed Tinubu, they will begin to tell everybody how it is, how Ohaneze and Afenifere have united in support of Bola Ahmed Tinubu. It's all about election. It's not that he cares about Southern unity or even ready to do anything different to rescue Nigeria from the present economic quagmire caused largely by the All Progressive Congress in the last 8.5 years. In the last 9.5 years. That's virtually nothing, because if you want to succeed, you have to solve the problem of today. But there is no likelihood he can be able to sort it out. And like I keep saying, it will be difficult for the All Progressive Congress to win a free and fair election in Nigeria. That's my take on Bola Ahmed Tinubu's inauguration of Southern Traditional Rulers Council in Owerri on July 30th, Wednesday, July, on Tuesday, July 30th, 2024. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.